What's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well. As for myself, I'm doing good. Just sitting down to recap another trade that was taken during the live stream this past Friday, Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving. This particular trade, I just did not really trust the process and just want to go back, look at it and see, first of all, if it looked to be a decent trade, and two, what could I have done differently? So let's go ahead, let's bring up the charts. I already have this pretty much queued up to where the trade was taking place. I had traded one of the Apex accounts and didn't want to trade that one anymore. So I had gone ahead and changed the top chart to the 25K Apex account, and I had changed the ladder. So that's why you see these zeroed out, because I had not taken any trades on that. This one here is still shown to the 50K account, which I had traded that morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the video. Let's see. We'll go ahead and pause it right there real quick. Just take a look at the charts. As you can see, first thing is everything is red. So all time frames are in a bearish trend based on my fast and slow moving average theory, where the fast is below the slow. So all charts are red. On your screen, they're going to be pink. 15-minute never could get over the fast could never get over the slow to flip that one. All the other time frames kind of just flip-flopped. They would be red and then they'd flip green. Once it got up to a rejection area on the 15, it would just flip back red. So in those type situations, if you're going to go long, you only want to go long for scalps and trade them back up to an area. So looking at the tick chart, which is the upper left, if you're going to take a long, you could take that long. When it flips, only expect to get out of it to the next area of concern, which would be here, this purple line. And we see it comes up, rejects it, goes up, tries to break it again, rejects it. But this particular trade, I was looking at this sell setup, with what live traders would call a sell setup. So you get this move down, you get a pullback, you want to take the break of the low. Some people will say when you're going short, first whatever time frame to make a new low. So in this particular case, it would be first 5-minute candle to make a new low. You get the new low when this candle breaks. Put the stop on the top side of it, which is also VWAP. So getting in at about 20, call it probably 22. Stop is up around 37. So that's a 15-point stop. Come down, you look at the 2-minute, you're getting the same picture. Entry would have been off of this candle, which gives you your first 2-minute candle to make a new low. You could have took it off of this one right here, and would have got stopped out right there though, because if you'd have entered here, put the stop there, you're getting stopped out. You prefer to have your previous candle be the same type candle that you're trading in. So if you're in a downtrend, you want this to be a red candle. So you'd want it to be like a top and tail candle. You wouldn't really want it to be this green doji candle, because this is indecision with bulls and bears pretty much even. But that was the thought process on that trade right there. Coming up to the tick chart, we do get the flip to where it has recently flipped the chart from red back, or green back to red. So we were good with that. But let's go ahead, start the video back. And there is a little commentary in this video. I did say I wouldn't want to take that trade until it breaks that low right there, though. And this was the candle that I really should have been getting in when it broke the low. It did kind of peekaboo it, and then still would want to put the stop above the pivot. So still looking at a good 15-point pivot. So I was risking $30 on this trade. This right here is could give this trouble trying to go low, even though this did trigger the sell setup. So what I'm gonna do? It really isn't there. Come on, break it. Speed. So it's actually a decent trade. Speeding it up just to kind of let the trade play it out. On a 2-minute chart. So up 7 points now. Yep, 10 points on this trade. The get up 10 points. Auto trader will kick in. Yeah, so you will start hearing the cha-ching. Kind of, it's working. It looking up at the upper left-hand chart, it's doing what it's supposed to do. It made a nice move, so it pulled back to the moving average, retest, rejection. It would basically take the stop to 5 points. Yeah, let me mute this video now because I'm gonna sound like a chipmunk. But notice we get some strength here that's pushing this back up. 2-minute chart, we're getting a bottom and tail, which is very bullish. So that's giving me some concern. You see, we back flat on the trade. 15 is just ugly. The 15, it is what it is. It's not really telling you anything. This was the 9:30 candle, I believe. Yeah, around 9:30, 9:45 candle. So can't really glean anything from that other than you just got to take the trend. Just take it's in a downtrend, take that downtrend. But we see it's making another push down. And at the time, I'm thinking, if this does not break this pivot and hold, I want to be out of the trade. And look, we're so close. We were at what, 9.25, 9.5. It just would not give those 10 points to kick in the auto trade. So what I do is this does not hold this level, and I move my stop basically just to lock in commission and fees. And look, you see I made $3. So we were 0.25 away from, and you see here during the commentary, I'm kind of speaking on it. It does not push, but let's see, what were we in? We were in at about 20. So 10 points is going to be 10. Target is going to be 20. Let's speed this up. Uh-oh, I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. And let's watch this thing play out. So comes back up. It retests the 40 SMA. Very good level to get retested. In a downtrend, it's normally going to hold that level. So let's just watch it kind of play out. We'll speed it up a little bit more. These are trades when, say, I really don't like being in these trades, but these are trades that I kind of should just get up and walk away from the computer. My stop is in, my target is in. Let the trade work. Look at it. There's the 10. We break the 10. Now we're coming down to this level. This is a key level because I have it marked on the chart, that blue line. That's a 5-minute line. But 16,000 is 20 points. That's target right there. That's target. And that's why I said just did not trust the system on that trade. It did exactly what I thought it would do. Looking at the 2-minute, it's clean. Looking at the 5, it's clean. That is a clean picture. Yeah, see, I'm just kind of talking some stuff out on the video, putting in some points. But yeah, it's when that area right here did not hold, it kind of scared me out of the trade. Never would have stopped out, and this would have easily hit the target. On that note, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. Thanks for checking me out. As always, if you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can definitely finish the conversation in the comments. I do have one more trade that I did the exact same thing on, and pretty much made the same exact amount of money on it. So I'll be trying to find that video in the live stream, and I'll get a recap done for that one as well. So be on the lookout for it. On that note, we up out of here, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.